Ever wondered what the best use of Google Trends really is? It's more than just tracking the hottest topics. With the right approach, it becomes a powerful tool for understanding the public pulse. With this script, we can track keywords over time, tailor our analysis to regions, and combine data with other financial indicators to spot trends. It's about efficiency, customization, and getting the most relevant data when it matters. First, we're going to import some modules. I have to use the Qt5 AGG backend for Matplot to enable the interactive plots. If you were using Jupyter notebooks, this probably would not be necessary. Next, I set our background style as dark and grid for true. Makes it more readable. After that, we import pandas as PD. I put future, no silent downcasting true to suppress some warnings, and I set the max row to display 50 data frames. We initialize Pytrends for the Google Trends retrieval. And after that, we're going to take a look at the get trend data time frame. This builds a Google Trends payload and retrieves interest over time for the given keywords. Time frame specifies the time frame for the data. We have various formats that we can use, and then the list of keywords. Next, we have make chart. This plots and saves interest over time data as a chart. It'll also save a picture of the chart for later analysis. Now, not every chart is going to be saved as a photo, and that's where the display info comes in. This is printing detailed information about the data frame, summary statistics. I just included a bunch here, and this is actually the attributes that are going to be used for the conditional and flow control logic. Depending on when we find some meaningful statistic, that'll determine whether the data frame should be saved as like a CSV file and as an image for later analysis. And finally, we're going to have the keyword, the main function, which is our main loop. It iterates over predefined time frames and keywords. In this case, we're using silver and gold as our search terms. I have included various time formats here. These formats work really nice. You can use any dates that you want, and you'll get a nice result. This is a little sketchy over here because there's a little inconsistency, like you have to use for hour a capital H, and then sometimes it's a little ambiguous when you should, and you get an idea of what kind of statistical data it returns in the image. Here's our image. Here's our statistical data. We got the head. We have to describe the info, standard deviation, the mean, the length, the shape, and the size. So that wraps up where the script is so far. First off, thanks for taking a look at the video. If you got anything useful out of this, leave the video a thumbs up. Any questions, comments, or suggestions, I'd like to hear them. Leave them in the comment section. And other than that, I'll try to do better in the next one. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.